Most billing teams eventually hit the same wall. You need customer-specific pricing such as negotiated discounts, regional overrides, or bespoke rates, and suddenly your clean pricing model explodes into manual configuration. More plans, more copies, more risk. Today I'm going to show you how m3sh and Lookup Tables solve that in a clean, automated, and scalable way. The idea is simple but powerful. We use a lookup table as a commercial control layer. Instead of hard-coding pricing logic into plans, we externalize it into structured, version-controlled data. When a new account is created, we look up its discount rate. We generate a bespoke plan from a template. We clone all segmented pricing. We apply the discount automatically, and we attach the plan to the account, all without human intervention. This is programmable commercial logic. Let's start with the lookup table. This is not just a key value store, this is a version-controlled commercial configuration. We have created a table called account discount rates that maps an account code to a discount percentage. Lookup tables and meter support revisions. You can upload a new revision using CSV or JSON. You can stage changes safely. You must publish a revision to make it active. That means that commercial teams can control pricing inputs without editing workflows. If beta US is configured for 5%, the system enforces it. If tomorrow that changes to 7%, you publish a new revision. No workflow edits required. Now let's look at the automation layer. m3sh is the orchestration engine that connects events to commercial outcomes. The trigger here is a simple notification rule for account created. As soon as an account is created, m3sh receives the event payload and the workflow begins. First, we initialize context. We store the account ID, account code, the plan template ID, and the start date. Everything downstream references this structured context. Next, we retrieve the discount rate from the lookup table using the account code. We default to 0 if no value is found, which gives safe fallback behavior. Then we convert the discount percentage into a multiplier. 5% becomes 0.95. That is what we apply to pricing bands. Now we create a bespoke plan from the template. This is important. We are not duplicating plan templates manually. We are programmatically generating a customer-specific plan that inherits the template structure. That preserves product governance. Next, we list the pricing from the plan template. We treat the template as the single source of truth. If product updates base pricing tomorrow, future customer plans automatically inherit the updated structure. Now comes the core automation. We loop through each pricing segment returned from the template, such as region and VM type combinations. For each segment, we generate a pricing create request. We take the original pricing bands and multiply the fixed price and unit price by the discount multiplier. Next, we create the pricing. No manual segment editing, no copy and pasting, no UI clicks, no human error. Once all discounted pricing segments are created, we attach the plan to the account by creating an account plan. From the user's perspective, they've just created an account. From a commercial perspective, a fully bespoke price instruction now exists automatically. Now let's see this live. Beta US has a 5% discount configured in the lookup table. I will create the account. As soon as the account is saved, the notification fires and the workflow runs. We can see the discount rate received, 5%, the multiplier calculated, 0.95, a bespoke plan created, each pricing segment cloned and discounted, and finally the account plan attached. Now if we inspect the pricing, we can see the rates reduced by 5% compared to the template. This entire process required no manual pricing configuration, and this pattern scales. You could drive pricing by region, by contract tier, by partner status, by external CRM attributes, by negotiated commercial terms. Lookup tables provide governed commercial configuration. m3sh provides programmable orchestration. Together, they give you commercial agility without operational chaos. Instead of maintaining hundreds of pricing variations manually, you define the rules once and let the system enforce them automatically. That is the power of m3sh and lookup-driven automation.